Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing these Cotre walkie talkies. I got off Amazon for about $30 about a year ago, and this is pretty much the perfect time to do a review since I've been using them a lot. I use them for pretty much everything that goes on around here. They work really well. They get about 1.5 miles range, really depending where you are. They have a lot of different functions, and they're really good. This is I like to do reviews when I had them a lot because this walkie-talkie right here is an old-on one, and it was really great when I got it. I got it at Walmart for about $22 for a pair, and it was awesome. But then about less than a year afterwards, it started going weird. The speaker would randomly not work on it, and I even opened it up and soldered it and redid a lot of the wires, and it just didn't work. So I'm doing a review right now instead of when I got these things brand new, so that I can review how they've been working for me. So my favorite thing probably about these is it comes with a little pocket, like a little stand that they come in, and it has a battery charger on it, and you only have to plug in one cord to charge both of them. It does come with rechargeable batteries. I just want to note that it does. I don't remember how big they are. I've moved around a lot of batteries, so I don't know what are even in here anymore. All I know is they're rechargeables are still in here. These particular kind has a little light on top. It's that lamp. You can see that lamp button right there, and you push it and the light comes on and off. What I really like about this kind is it can be off and the lamp can be on, but I'm going to turn it on. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mute it so that the beeping doesn't get so really irritating. As you can see, it's muted right there. It has a call button, so it just makes a ringing noise, but it doesn't allow you to speak without pushing the button over here. If you hold in the menu, if you hold in this menu button, you can also see that there's a lock. So if you hold it in for a few seconds, it'll lock right here, make it so you can't even you can't change the channel. You can still call, but you just can't change the channel. I'm gonna take that, or even change the volume. So this thing has 22 channels, 121 privacy codes, has several different tones has several different calling tones that when you push this button, just push it, it will make different noises because you can choose which one they are. It also has Vox, which allows you to speak into the microphone without pushing the button. It just automatically goes. There's 3 things of Vox. I prefer 2 because I find that's the one that works the most, but I'm not sure why there's 3. There's secondary channels so that you can listen to 2 channels at a time. It will go back and forth between 2 channels. However, you cannot talk on both channels at the same time. Just want to let you know that. So there's high performance, there's high and low. Only some channels support high, so that's why I like channel 11, but that doesn't support high. See, if you go over to channel 11, it doesn't show any high here, even if you go over to the high performance setting. High performance is on, but doesn't show high. But if you go back to 6, It shows high performance right there. What I like about these ones also is that you push the scan and it goes through the channels really fast. It does not go through the privacy codes. What you're seeing there is that if a channel such as 7 has a privacy code already on it, it will go through, and when it hits 7, it will say 7 channel 7 privacy code 6. So if you turn the privacy code off, it will scan through that channel with the privacy code off. So far, these things have been very good and very useful. Like I said, there is a pocket for them, but if you wanted to charge them individually, there's also a charger here that you can plug in. These are just micro USB chargers, like the standard phone well, the phone chargers today are Type-C, but the older phone chargers were like that. It's the same thing as the stand it sits in, but I prefer the stand because you only need to plug in one cord for the stand, while you'd have to plug in both to charge these. It does have, let's see if I can get it to focus. It does have, it looks like that's a like walkie-talkie sign or something, or a headset, and that is not, I don't know what size that is, but it's not for standard headphones. It's way smaller. The belt clips off and all that, and then can easily lift up. These are not the batteries that came in here. These are just batteries I found and threw in here that are rechargeable. Just gonna turn this off. You hold down to turn it off. Okay, here's a tip. If you press the call button when you're not supposed to, press the call button and then press the talk button. Just press it down and it will cancel the call. So that's just something that people should know. I'm gonna look at the back of the other walkie-talkie to see if the original batteries are in it. No, the original batteries are not in it either. I don't know what happened to the original batteries. So yeah, that is pretty much all. Thanks for watching this video. I enjoyed making it. Like I said, I paid $30 for this. It came with this. It came with these 2 walkie-talkies, rechargeable batteries in them, and this pocket, this stand. Plus, it came with a cord for it. But this is just a micro USB cord that you can find like anywhere, like any old phone or anything. I would definitely prefer and recommend these over these $22 ones you can find at Walmart. These just didn't have the strength to last. Oh, it's missing the back. They weren't able to sit on a pocket, and they did have a, I think, oh right here they have a micro USB charger too. But these just didn't last as well, and they weren't as nice either. They weren't as heavy quality. So, out of 5 stars, I definitely rate these a 4.5. They're not the best, but they definitely do good performance. Oh yeah, another thing to note, you cannot remove these antennas. Some walkie-talkies you can remove them and replace. These ones you cannot. Also, these ones right here, you cannot either. Just want to note that. Thanks for watching.